my dear students. Our topic was going on manufacturing industry. So in this chapter, in this video, you will learn about some more agro-based industry. The most important I have already done, that is the textile industry or cotton industries. Now I am going to start the sugar industry and cotton industry, jute industries. Okay, so first, jute industries. So I have given all these things, even introduction, in the form of points, so that you can easily uh, understand, or you can easily write your answer in a better way. First point, India is the largest producer of raw jute and the second exporter after Bangladesh. So in the production, our country is second largest, but first largest in the world. Maximum production takes place in India, but the consumption level in India is very high. As a result, we are the second exporter in the world. First is the Bangladesh. Second, there are about 70 jute mills in India, which is located in West Bengal near the river Hooghly. We will discuss in the next point why most of the mills are located in the West Bengal near Hooghly. Third point, first mill was set up near Kolkata in the year 1859 at Risra. So Risra is a place which is located near the Kolkata. After partition, 3/4 of the jute producing area went to Bangladesh. Okay, so at the time of independence, we faced the problem of raw materials because all the industries were present in India, but maximum jute producing area went in the favor of Bangladesh. So these are the basic introduction of jute textile. Now in the second point, I told you that most of the jute mills are located near Hooghly. So what is the reason behind it? So factor responsible for location in the Hooghly basin: first, proximity of the jute producing area; second, inexpensive water transport; third, good network of railways, roadways and waterways; fourth, for movement not fourth, in the same line it will come, for movement of raw material. So good transport, railways, waterways and roadways is good for the movement of raw material. Here by mistake, that is the fourth point. So your fourth point will be abundant water for processing raw jute. Sixth, cheap laborers from the West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. These are the states which are surrounding the West Bengal and from where these mills get cheap laborers. Banking and insurance facilities is also available for finance. Port facilities are also available for export of jute goods. So in this way, jute industries I have done, which is most important chapters. Now here I will discuss regarding some challenges which the jute industries faces. As you know, no one business run without any kind of challenges. So jute industries also face some challenges. First point, a stiff competition in the international market. Nowadays we are using synthetic substitute in place of jute. Third, why we use synthetic substitute? Because it is very cheap. Next is the internal demand has decreased due to use of maximum synthetic substitute. Okay. Now, high cost of production due to old machines. So we are using the old machines, and due to that the cost of production is continuously increasing. Power supply is also very poor, that's why I have written erratic power supply. So these are the basic problems which is being faced by the jute industries. Now the government has also taken some measures to solve the problems of jute industries. First, government policies compelled to jute bags for packing. Okay, so in a simple word we can say the government told the people, or government made it mandatory to use jute bags for packaging. Third, in 2005, National Jute Policy was formulated for improving quality and increasing productivity. Next is it is a biodegradable material, so once again it got an opportunity for jute products because of growing global concern for the government. So in this way these measures has been taken by the government and the world. Due to that the demand of jute is continuously rising, and I hope in future it's it has a bright futures. I hope it has a bright futures. Okay. Now come to the second industry. It is also based on agriculture, that is known as sugar industries. So India is the second largest producer of sugar. Okay, in India. So here I have once again written here sugar. Okay, so here India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world. So in place of sugar you will mention the world term, world. Okay, second point I have taken, it keep first place in the production of gur, that is, and it is gur is also known as jaggery. Okay, and khand sari. The raw material used in the industry is bulky and huilase. It causes its sucrose content reduces. So due to huilase, it reduces the content of sucrose. Next, there are over 400 sugar mills located in UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, and so on. 60% mills are located in UP and Bihar. It is a seasonal industry in nature. It is ideally suited to the cooperative sectors. In recent years, mills are shifted from north to south and western state due to following reasons. First point, the cane produced here has higher sucrose, means in the western and southern part higher sucrose are available. Second, these areas contains cooler climate which helps to ensure a longer crushing season. Third, cooperatives are more successful in these areas. Fourth, a number of banks are available for finance. Fifth, better transport systems are also available. But these industries is also facing some challenges, and that is known as the problems of sugar industries. First challenge is old and inefficient method of production. Second, transport delay in reaching sugar cane to factories. Third, seasonal in nature of the industry. So in this way, sugar industries I have already completed. Now we will move towards a new industry that is known as mineral based industries. So you will find in the next video. Okay, thank you.